Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello, how are you? How have you guys been? Happy 2021. Today I'm just gonna be going over some of the things that I got for Christmas. A lot of the makeup was given to me as a gift and I'm super grateful for that. Also, I'm gonna be going over some of the items that I purchased myself for me and also for some of you guys. I will be showing you a couple of the items that are in the Valentine's Day giveaway. Stay tuned for that. Make sure you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share the video. Also follow me on Instagram, Original Glam Fairy. I will be posting a lot of details there. I do all of my giveaways on Instagram, so make sure you're following me there too. Stay tuned and thank you for watching. So I wanted to start with the makeup that I got first as gifts, things I didn't purchase. Let me know if there's anything that you see in particular that you have questions about, or that you want to see a look with, or what you want to see in the future on my YouTube channel. This is kind of like a, I guess like an unboxing. First, I got the Lisa Frank and Morphe collab collection. This was, I think this is just like the cutest thing. I was obsessed with Lisa Frank when I was younger. It comes with really shimmery packaging inside. And I think these brushes are just so cute. I know they're like glistening in the package, so you can't really see them too well. I will be posting these on my page just so you can get like an up close look. I did get the the sponge set as well. I really love Morphe sponges. They are relatively inexpensive, they have a good price point, and they are worth it. To me, Morphe makes my favorite sponges. A close second is Real Techniques, but those ones are a little bit more on the pricier side. But I do recommend Morphe sponges to anyone who's like new in makeup or just is looking for a sponge applicator. I recommend Morphe for sure. I also got this palette. I'm so excited for this. I've seen this online. I haven't seen it in store, but I am most excited for this. I just think this is so cute, and my little 8-year-old self is like going crazy inside right now that I even have this, or that this is even like a thing right now. Like I feel like everybody like our age is like, oh my god. It's super exciting. The thing I got was this KKW Beauty Pink 5 lipstick. I've never tried any KKW products other than her lip liners. I think this is a really pretty color. Don't mind my nails. I'm in the process of taking them off so I can get new ones. I really like her lip liner, so I'm excited to try this out. If you guys have tried a lot of products from her, let me know. I think her collection, all of her makeup line, every collection she comes out with is just very aesthetically pleasing to me. I think it looks very pretty. Next, I got a Stila Heaven's Hue highlighter in the shade Bronze. I think this is really pretty. Stila also makes really pretty makeup. Very, very pretty. Next, I got a jade roller. And I think, I don't know what this little one is. I don't know what this little thing is, but maybe let's open it. Can I even open it? I can't open it right now. But I do have a different roller. It's not jade. I heard that the jade one is really good for your skin and your pores, but I do keep mine cold. I keep it in my beauty fridge, and it makes a big difference, I feel like, with my pores, and it just feels better on my skin. I also got more sponges. Anyone who knows me knows I love sponges. I could literally never have enough sponges. I have 2 of these on my vanity. I also got a P. Louise gift set. If you know me, you know I love P. Louise base. I post it all the time. I tell you guys it's the best. I really love it. So it's really cute. I did open it. I took a peek at it. It's super cute. They really did go with the packaging for this one too. I got a crisp finish, tangy teas, heavenly finish. I don't even know what this is. Let's open it. Sharp edges. Heavenly finish and a cut crease brush included. So I'm assuming that this is for cut creases, but I'll open that later. And it comes with this really cute P. Louise cup. I don't know if you can catch it with the lighting. This came with eyebrow gel. Can you guys see that? It's like it's not focusing, sorry. And then the P. Louise Oh So Browful Eyebrow Pencil. Which shade is this? It doesn't say the shade. Oh, hazelnut latte. I think this might be my shade. I'm gonna dye my hair dark brown a little bit anyways, so it's fine. This is the I'm Yours, sealed and checked by P. Louise. This packaging is just like so pretty. They really pay attention to details. Oh, I am so excited for this. So I got different bases. And I got my favorite P. Louise base, O2. If you don't have this, go out and buy it. I swear by it. This is Summer Blues, Winter Rose, and Vivid Violet. I'm so excited for this. I also got the P. Louise and Mama Mitchell Acid Rain when they did their collaboration. I got, I don't even know what shade this is. Glow Girl. It's like a hot pink. Sorry, it's not focusing. I'm excited for this. I really love the base. I found it from the famous Miss Nikki Tutorials. She was one of the first YouTubers and influencers I ever saw use P. Louise base, and ever since then I've been in love with it. This is the Holla liquid lipstick. It is discontinued, and you can only get it in their holiday collaborations. So that one you guys can't go buy. Sorry. This is a 707 My Base brush. So I'm gonna apply. It's like this. You can't really see. It's not focusing. Oh, maybe right there. I'm gonna apply their products with the stuff that they sent and see how it performs. Because I usually use a flat brush to apply it. Like I'll use something like this to apply the base. Okay, so next I did get a lot of lashes. I do love lashes. I have lash extensions on right now, but I feel like your look is not complete without lashes. I also got this Juvia's Place palette. It's the Zula by Juvia's. I think it's Juvia's. Do love Juvia's Place. These are so pigmented. I'm so excited to use this. This is gonna be a great time. I like colorful looks if you guys haven't really figured that out yet. And then I got a Tarteist Pro Tarte Mini Mascara, and this is one of my favorite mascaras. I do have a big one, I think, somewhere on my vanity. So I really, really, really like Tarte products. I know some people don't, but their mascara is on point. So if you don't have any Tarte mascara, go get some. Next, we're gonna move on to the makeup that I purchased for myself. Also, some things I purchased for my Valentine's Day giveaway. So I will be posting the details for the Valentine's Day giveaway early February. If you've won one of my giveaways before, you know I try my best to give you guys like good products, and I try to give you guys things that I would use. So I don't give anything away in a giveaway that I wouldn't put on my own face, just because I feel like, why am I going to give you guys something that I myself wouldn't use, you know? Okay, so next, Target was having a sale. I don't know about you guys, but Target's after Christmas sale was wild this year. I did get 4 items. I try to limit myself. So NYX had a lot of things on sale. This is my favorite primer spray. I love this. It's one of the main primers I use on my face. I try to use different ones when I post makeup looks, just because that way you guys can see that I'm trying to try different products, even though I have my favorites. This is the first base primer spray, and I highly recommend it. It always keeps my face lasting a long time. Also, I got this. I love my Revlon Color Stay Foundation. It's one of my favorites. I've never really tried their lip products, but this is the Vinyl Lip Polish. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of a glare. I got it because it was on sale, and I'm excited to try it. It looks really pretty. Also, I did get my lippy for Christmas. It is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss. I think it's supposed to be like a plumping lip gloss, and I really like it. I think it looks good on my lips. Back to my Target, my small Target haul. I got the Born to Glow NYX foundation in the shade Light, because I don't have a spray tan right now and it's winter, so I'm extra pale. I got the LA Girl holographic gloss out. Next, I did shop online at a smaller brand, Lucky Lash Cosmetics. They have super cute themed makeup. All of her makeup that she sells and all of her products kind of remind me of like Chola vibes, or like lowriders, or even like when you used to take those pictures with like the Playboy bunny and the cherries backdrops, or like oldies, things like that, things that like my sister and I grew up with. So I did get oh, I'm sorry, it's Lucky Lashes and Cosmetics right here. I got the Sad Girl palette. This to me is so cute. It screams Chola vibes. It screams lowriders. Like it says, better days are coming, mija. Like that's cute to me. So like this super cute color story. It's all blue. Some of the shades are like Sad Eyes, Teardrops, Faith, Better Days, Cry Now, Cry Later. Just very, very cute. I love the theme. I have started kind of trying to shop with smaller brands and just support. Also, I got the Trio lip liners. I don't know if you can see it. There is a low rider on there. I got the Glam Now Smoke Later lip gloss. All of these things I will be posting on my page, so you guys can either find the page, find where I got the product. This is really pretty. I think it's upside down, but it's okay. Oh, this is super pretty. It's a nice little fluffy applicator. Okay, so that was my second purchase of makeup that I've made in 2021. Okay, so this was actually something I purchased before Christmas, and I was supposed to put part of these things in the giveaway, but it's like January 16th and they just arrived. So some of this makeup will go into the next giveaway for Valentine's Day. Some of it I will keep for myself, because I do order my things for myself too when I order your guys' makeup. This I ordered from BH Cosmetics. This is the Royal Affair glitter. This is the glitter trio, sorry. Comes in this cute little packaging. There's 3 glitters in here. This is actually going to go into the giveaway, so I don't know why I opened it. But this is actually going to go into the giveaway. So there's that. I have a palette here from BH Cosmetics that's also going to go into the next giveaway. So this is kind of like an unboxing of my purchases and my Christmas makeup, and preview a little bit of the giveaway. This is the Sculpt and Blend 10-piece brush set. I love this brush set. This is actually I think the 3rd time I'm purchasing this brush set for myself, because I love buying brushes too. I haven't counted my brushes in a while, but the last time I counted I was at around 87 brushes. So I think I'm well into the hundreds now. I also got 2 beauty sponges. I love these sponges. One of these is for the giveaway also. One is for me. I got this quick change like thing for the brushes when you're doing your eyeshadow. You can kind of rinse it out. Well, not really rinse it. You just kind of put it on there and it takes the eyeshadow off and you can use it for a different color. And I got a BH Cosmetics Diamond Dazzlers Loose Foil Pigment. I want to start using more foils. I have a couple NYX ones. But I just like how they look. I used one last time when I also used the Nikita Dragon palette. And they're just really pretty to me. Like, it's, you can't really see, but it's kind of like glitter, but it's more foily and it has like more reflective stuff in it. It's really, really pretty. I also got 2 loose pigments right here. One is like a purple color and the other is like a rose gold color mixed with like gold pigment as well. I love glitter. I can never have too much glitter. I'm actually running out of room in my glitter drawer, so I'll have to figure that out. But it's okay, we can always make more room. Then this is the BH Liquid Lipsticks in the shade Clara. I was gonna put this in the giveaway, but mine just ran out, so I'm gonna keep it for myself. But that's just kind of it. That's just the little makeup haul I had, things that I purchased, things that I got as gifts. Some of the items are for the giveaway. I will be adding more to that giveaway. I don't know how many winners I will have for my Valentine's Day giveaway. If there's any looks you want me to do with any of the products that I showed, or if you have any questions, please, please, please let me know. Thank you for watching. I appreciate all of your guys' support. I have recently changed my Instagram tag, so it's Original Glam Fairy instead of Glamorous Dree, because I don't know, I feel like I'm just a little fairy going around spreading like glitter and makeup, and I like helping other people feel beautiful too. I like sharing my skills with you guys. I think my skills have definitely improved since I started my channel, since I started my Instagram. If you guys have anything you want to see, please, please, please let me know. Also, I will be posting a lot more. It's just been kind of wild with the holidays. I don't know if the holidays took anybody else by storm, but they for sure hit me like a ton of bricks. So I'm prepared with the holidays and like everything that's going on in the world today. It's a little wild outside. But yes, please like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel. I do want to post more. I just got this nice ring light for Christmas. I got a new computer with new software, so I'm ready to edit videos and make content for you guys. So thank you. I love you all. I appreciate you. Follow my Instagram, Original Glam Fairy, and like and subscribe to my channel, please.